Hello everyone, welcome to our workout from home channel. Today we are doing core muscle workout. If you're liking our workouts, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our videos. So before getting into the workout, let's do some warm up. For the warm up, do 30 mountain climbers. And after mountain climbers, stay in the high plank position. From here, go into upward dog position. And from upward dog position, we are getting into downward dog directly and stretching. So repeat this for 4-5 times. So once we are warmed up, let's get into the workout now. So for the workout, as I said, we are doing core muscle workout today. So we'll start with 30-second hollow hold, and after that we are doing 25 regular sit-ups, then 20 single leg bridges, then 15 plank to toe taps, then 10 weighted dead bugs. So we are doing as many rounds as possible in 18 minutes, but we are taking 1 minute mandatory break after each round. So this is our workout for today. So for the hollow hold, we are lying on the floor like this, and from here you lift your legs up and upper body together, and you are going to hold in this hollow position for 30 seconds. So this will be hollow hold. If you want to modify it little bit, you can bend your knees little bit like this and hold it. So this will put less pressure on your lower back. It will be little bit easy. And if you're not able to hold for 30 seconds, you can just drop in between and accumulate for 30 seconds. And after that, we are doing 25 sit-ups. For the sit-ups, we are doing the regular sit-ups like this. So if you want to have some support for your spine, use a pillow like this and you can do the sit-ups. Like this. So after sit-ups, we are doing single leg bridges. For the single leg bridges, again we are lying on the floor. So the regular bridges we'll do with both feet on the floor like this. But for single leg, you're going to have one leg in the air like this and then do the bridges. Like this. And you're going to do 10 on each side. So 10 on right leg and then 10 on left leg. Like this. So if you want to scale it, you can do the regular bridges like both feet on the floor like this. So and after glute bridges, we are doing 15 plank to toe taps. So for the plank to toe taps, we are getting on to high plank position. From here, you're going to tap the toe of the opposite leg. So right hand will go and tap the left leg toe, and again back to high plank. Then go and tap the right leg and high plank. So we're doing 15 of these. Make sure every time after the toe tap you are getting into a full high plank position. Your core should be always engaged in this position. So we are doing 15 of these, and after this we are doing 10 weighted dead bugs. For the weighted dead bugs, you're going to carry some weight in the hand. Just take a light one, don't take a heavy weight. And from here, well, let me move a little bit forward. So you're going to hold the weight like this in your arms and lift your legs up. So for the dead bug, you're going to move one leg and the weight behind like this. Make sure they are not completely touching the ground. They are just reaching towards the floor, and from here you're getting back up. And from there you're going to move the right leg. So you're going to move alternate legs. So we are doing 10 of these. If you want to scale it, you can do without the weight, just with the bare hands like this. like this. So this is our workout for today. We are going to do as many rounds as possible in 18 minutes with 1 minute mandatory break after every round. So I'm going to do one quick round, and here we go. So this is our workout for today. Hope you guys like it. Thank you. See you.